Now the PVC pipe itself will not be able to fit on the narrow space in the dryer. So what we have to do is to flatten it out. The easiest way to do that is to heat up the pipe, and I'm heating up mine in the stove. You can also use a heat gun if you have one. You just need to heat up the pipe all around until it turns soft and pliable. Then just flatten it until it cools down. To make it uniform, you can lay down the heated PVC in a flat surface and use a wooden board to apply pressure down. As you can see, it is now flat, and pushing down with the board, it is pretty even.